In this video, we'll be comparing two popular e-commerce platforms, WooCommerce and Shopify. Whether you're starting a new online store or looking to switch platforms, this video will help you make an informed decision. We'll discuss the key considerations for each platform: pricing, ease of use, customization, payment options, scalability, support, and resources. WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin that turns your WordPress website into a full-fledged e-commerce store. It's highly customizable and offers tons of flexibility. Shopify, on the other hand, is a standalone e-commerce platform. It's known for its ease of use and is an all-in-one solution for selling online. So, let's start with a comparison of both platforms. Feature 1. Pricing. Let's start with everyone's favorite topic, cost. WooCommerce, powered by WordPress, is a completely free e-commerce solution. While WooCommerce does require payments for hosting, there are numerous free themes and plugins available as alternatives to the paid ones. This provides budget-conscious users with options to enhance their online store without incurring additional costs. Shopify offers a range of pricing plans, from a basic option to more advanced choices. Its straightforward pricing structure, however, does involve a monthly fee, which should be considered when budgeting for your e-commerce business. Feature 2. Ease of use. Something that most inexperienced users are very interested in is the ease of use of each platform. WooCommerce can be a bit more complex, especially if you're new to WordPress. It requires more technical know-how. If you have very basic knowledge, it is better to ask an expert to create your WooCommerce online store. Once the WooCommerce online store is up and running, it will be as easy to use as Shopify. Shopify is known for its user-friendly interface. It's perfect for beginners and those who want a hassle-free setup. Ease of use is one of Shopify's main strengths, making it especially attractive to less experienced users. Feature 3. Customization. Now, let's talk about customization by using themes and plugins. WooCommerce offers extensive customization options. You can choose from thousands of themes and plugins to tailor your store to your liking. Most of them are free, and when we have to pay, it is very easy to find a free alternative to that paid option. Shopify has a robust theme and app store too, but it might not offer as much flexibility as WooCommerce. Shopify boasts numerous apps and a small selection of free themes, with only 12 free themes currently available in their store. However, it's important to note that compared to WooCommerce, expenses for installing such extras can often be higher. Feature 4. Payment options. Payment options are crucial. Let's see how these platforms stack up. WooCommerce supports various payment gateways, and you have full control over transactions. However, you may need to configure them by installing and activating a WordPress plugin. Shopify offers built-in payment gateways, making it super easy to accept payments. But they do charge transaction fees if you don't use their in-house payment gateway. Feature 5. Scalability. Are you thinking long-term? Consider the scalability of each of these platforms. WooCommerce can handle large inventories and complex setups, making it a good choice for ambitious e-commerce businesses. It can be scaled by adding almost any type of functionality your business requires. Shopify is also scalable, but you might run into limitations with certain features or customization as your business grows. Programming specific features may not be possible unless you move to another platform. Feature 6. Support and resources. Last but not least, let's talk about support and assets. WooCommerce benefits from the vast WordPress community, so you can find plenty of tutorials and resources online. You can find millions of basic tutorials, video tutorials, or even advanced programming forums dedicated to WordPress and WooCommerce. Shopify provides 24/7 customer support, which can be a lifesaver if you encounter any issues. If you have very basic computer knowledge, this part will be easier for you using Shopify. In addition, Shopify also includes an AI chatbot that will answer most of our questions. In any case, there is also the possibility of outsourcing the maintenance of your store, whether created with Shopify or WooCommerce. Conclusion. So, WooCommerce or Shopify, which one is right for you? It ultimately depends on your specific needs and your budget. WooCommerce is fantastic for customization and flexibility, but it requires more technical skills. Shopify offers simplicity and excellent support but comes with a monthly fee and possible additional expenses. Whichever platform you choose, remember that both WooCommerce and Shopify have helped countless entrepreneurs succeed in the world of e-commerce. The key is to assess your goals, budget, and technical proficiency to make the best choice for your online store. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce comparisons. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.